while we're waiting on our cake, I went to Burlington, guys, and I went to get a few things. I noticed these emergency apple cider vinegar. It's like a little drink, dietary supplement. It's apple flavored and it says new. I've never seen it before. That was my first time seeing it. Now I have seen the regular emergency vitamin C packets, the box for the vitamin C. In fact, Forever Mimi, she actually adds those to her videos sometimes to let us, know what she adds to her daily, meal routine. But I was curious. I never tried the vitamin C ones, but I wanted to try this one because it actually has both in it. And y'all know apple cider vinegar is great for the gut, and healing the gut is very important. Guys, I'm on a 36-hour fast right now, and it's a liquid fast. So I wanted to try this out and see how it works with my body. It has natural apple cider vinegar in it, high potency vitamin C, antioxidants, B vitamins and electrolytes, also vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium. So this is a dietary supplement. I see this is how what's included in here. Caffeine free, vegetarian. I don't know what that means, why it's even on there, but some of you may know. Gluten free. These are the supplement facts on the back, and you may pause if you would like to read. And these are the ingredients within the packets, I believe. Okay, so I'm noticing that there is stevia leaf in here. Okay, so I'm gonna try this, guys, and I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. And it was actually $3.99 at Burlington, so that's not a bad price at all. So like I said, it's apple flavored, and this is how the drink is supposed to look. So I can't wait to see. I'm gonna show you guys how the drink looks, so give me a second. These are how the the little packets come. So you're gonna empty them in 4 to 6 ounces of water and then stir. For a lighter flavor, you will mix it with more water, but do not exceed suggested use. So I like mine with a lot of flavor, so I think I will do less water, guys. So we're gonna see. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks, and we're gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, let's taste it, guys. And I'm not lying, guys, this is pretty good. To me, it kind of resembles beer or something. I don't know, beer kind of / wine, champagne a little bit. It has that fizziness, and guys, let me tell you, I'm not a fan of apple cider vinegar because of the taste, but if you can mix it with something like this, it's amazing, and the taste is really good. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. It has the apple flavor, like it says. I really do recommend you guys try this if you want to heal your gut. This is good. The smell, like, it just, like, it resembles something fizzy. Like, I'm shocked. I was like, I just knew I wasn't gonna like this, but now, yes, I love it. I really love it, and I will go get me more boxes of this. But I want to see how it affects my gut, and I'm gonna also get back with you on that as well. How is your day going today, guys? My day is going fine. I'm having a beautiful day, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I picked up, and it's all about getting healthy at times as well. Not just all the good wholesome southern meals and comforting meals I'll be making. I know y'all like, okay, Mink, is that all you be bringing to the table when it comes to food? No, Mink does eat healthy. Mink does drink healthy as well. So I will be showing you guys some healthy meals as well. But I wanted to show you this healthy drink. So if you have not tried it, let me know in the comments if you have not tried it yet. And if you plan on trying it, let me know. Let me know. And y'all see me wearing my little thing a lot, right? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I gotta get some more colors. But I'm trying, like, the reason why I'm wearing it a lot, guys, because I'm trying to like figure out different ways to like style them. But this, I finally got a chance to do it to where it stays secure. I don't know if my head is shaped funny or not, but it always falls off. But because I added some other layers of stuff to it, like underneath it, it keeps it in place, and it's been in place all day, so I'm so happy. So you guys go and try the apple cider vinegar emergency vitamin C stuff, because especially with, you know what, coming around the corner with all the sicknesses and stuff, the flu and all that, y'all get y'all bodies right, get all that mucus out of y'all bodies. Like, I love me some tea too. Y'all know that. Y'all know I love me some tea. So we're gonna get back to this cake, baby.